This is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. So first thing first, if you are not yet a subscriber and you have not subscribed yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So if you take a look at what market has just done right here, you will see that there is a double top that market has just done, and which is a rejection zone. So with this movement, market is likely to drop one more time. After it has given us pullback like this, market is likely to drop one more time. So this is what we should be anticipating for next on AUD. We should be expecting for a sell for the day. So once you get the sell setup, go ahead and take the sell because AUD will most likely give us one more drop. So one more drop is what we are going to be expecting on our AUD. Now take a look at this right here. Right, market has been trending up, right? This was a massive bullish move. But if you take a look at it, then we had this first rejection. Now market was able to drop, and now market now pushed up right here. So we will be expecting another second rejection that will make market to drop again. So this is to tell you that a bearish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on our AUD. So this pullback and then one more sell. If in case market push up to clear this high, there's a possibility that market will do that. If in case market does that, right, wait for my updates. I'll give you guys out on update and tell you guys what to do next. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, click on the subscribe button right now.